Away in a Manger, Circle B. It's bars 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to start with the melody in the right hand. It says finger 2 on the G line. Finger 2 G line, step to the 3 on the A space. Finger 4 is on the B flat, and B flat again. Step to 5 on the C. Skip down to 3 on the A space. The same A space. Skip down to the F space. Squeeze the 5 over to the A space. Take your thumb out so that we're going to step 4 onto the G line. Thumb now goes on the D space. Up a third to the F space. Second finger on the E line. Let's do that melody again, that slow so we can see what fingers go on which keys. Finger 2 on the G line. Step up to 3 on the A space. Step up to 4 on the B flat line. The same B flat line. Step up to 5 on the C space. Skip down a third to finger 3 on the A space. The same A space. Thumb is now on the F space. Squeeze the 5 over so that it's on the A space. Take the thumb out. Step to 4 on the G line. Thumb is on the D space. Up a third to the F space. Down a second to the E line. One more time. 2 on the G line. Step up to A. Step up to B flat. Same B flat. Step up to C. Down a third to the A. Same A. Down a third to the F. Squeeze 5 to the A. Take the thumb out. Step down to the G line, down a fourth, the thumb on the D, up a third to the 3 on F, down a second to the E. Now let's go really slow in good time so we can get those pairs of quavers. Really slow. I count and we play. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready, here we go. G, A, B flat, hold, B flat, hold, C, hold, A, hold, A, hold, F, squeeze, A, step to G, hold, D, hold, F, hold, E, hold, long note. One more time. 2 on the G line at circle B. Ready, here we go. G, A, B flat, hold, B flat, hold, C, hold, A, hold, A, hold, F, squeeze A, G, hold, D, hold, F, hold, E, hold, long note. A little bit quicker. I'm going to count apple, pie, and ready. Here we go. And apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple pie, and pie, and pie, and 2 counts. Same thing, one more time. Apple, apple, apple. Ready, here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and hold. the right hand away, let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand starts with the 5 on that E space where we left off with the harmonic 6th. So you have 5 on the E, up a third to the 3 on the G, the thumb is still on middle C. Now bring the 5 over to the F line. Now we've got a B natural. The natural sign cancels out the flat that's in the key sign, so 2 is on this B natural, and then the thumb is on the middle C. The B flat that's next is in the next section. So we only have a few notes here in the left hand. Let's look at that again. From the last bar at the end of the first line, we have an E space with finger number 5, up a third to the G, up a fourth, the thumb on middle C. Bring the 5 over to the F line, and that note gets held for 3 counts. Then 2 is on the B natural, it's held for 3 counts, and the 1 is now on middle C. Okay? So those notes that the left hand plays makes magic circles with the right hand. So let's take a look at how we would do that. Your right hand 4 would be on the B flat crotchet, or your left hand 5 is on the E space. That's the first magic circle. The next one is the crotchet right next to it. The B flat repeats while the left hand plays the G. The next magic circle, left thumb is on middle C, right 5 is on the high C. Both hands have C's. The next magic circle, your left hand has to squeeze 5 over to F. 3 in your right hand is on the A space. That's the magic circle. The next magic circle, you're going to have to pick up your right hand to move 4 onto the G. Left hand 2 is already where it needs to be, on the B space. The next magic circle, left thumb is on middle C, while the right 2 is on the E. Let's see if we can do those magic circles again. Left hand 5 on the E space, right hand 4 on the B flat line, the same B flat right hand, 3 in your left hand on the G. Right hand 5 steps up to the C, left hand thumb is on middle C. From there, right hand's going to go down a third to the 3 on the A space, while the left hand squeezes 5 over to the F. That's in bar number 6. In bar number 7, your right hand's going to move so that finger 4 is going to go on the G line, and your left hand 2 is already there on the B natural. And the next is finger 2 right hand on the E, and the thumb in your left on middle C. So let's do one magic circle at a time. Don't worry about the rhythm. Don't worry about the speed. The first magic circle in circle B, bar number 5, right hand 4 B flat, left hand 5 E. First magic circle. Next magic circle, G in the left, B flat in the right. Next magic circle, middle C thumb left, high C 5 right. Next magic circle. Next magic circle. Next magic circle. Now let's see what we can do in putting the hands together with all the notes, filling in the connecting notes. Right hand starts. We're not going to worry about rhythm. We're not going to worry about speed. We're just going to see what comes next. First we start with the G, step up to the A, magic circle, E on the bottom, B flat in the right, magic circle, G in the left, B flat in the right, magic circle, left thumb middle C, right 5 C, magic circle, left hand 5 F, right hand 3 A, same A right, down a third forward to F, squeeze 5 to A, right hand steps to G, left hand 2 is on B natural. Keep holding that left hand, down a 4th in the right hand to the D, up a 3rd to the F space, magic circle, step towards each other. That's contrary motion. From that 2 on the B natural and the 3 on the F, from there, going towards each other for the minims, C and E. That's called contrary motion. Let's see what we can do in putting the hands together again. Slowly, no tempo, just figuring out what comes next. G line, A space, magic circle, magic circle, magic circle, magic circle, right hand repeat. Thumb on the F, squeeze the 5 over to the A space, magic circle, down a 4th, up a 3rd, contrary motion. All right, let's try doing it very slow with a tempo and a rhythm. So we're going to go apple, pie, and ready. Here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and hold it. Circle B again. Ready, here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and big and pie. Let's take a look again, a little bit quicker. Apple, pie, and ready. Here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and big pie. And let's see what we can do going a little bit quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready. Here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and hold it, big pie. One more time, a little bit quicker. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and ready. Here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and big pie. One more time, a little quicker. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and ready. Here we go. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and pie, and apple, pie, and pie, and pie, big pie. Last time. Apple, pie, and pie, and pie, and ready. Here we go. Apple,